What's up, guys? Today we're going to review a new product. This is the Anker laptop power bank 2500 milliamp hour device. It's one of their new devices. Um, so I bought this with my own funds. I was curious about this. I actually have this one on the stand that comes with the stand. And I was really curious when they brought out this one to see how different it is from this one. So let's get into an unboxing. Let's get into see how this is different. And just full disclosure, I purchased this with my own funds. Nobody's paying me for this video. So let's get into unboxing and see what this is about. I have to say that I am an Anker fan, an Anker fanboy. I do like their products a lot. So this was kind of easy for me to buy. Let's take a look. All right. So it's pretty straightforward. I believe there's only verbiage in here. No, maybe not. It comes with a nice case, a manual. It's kind of plasticky, but not bad. All right, let's get into this thing. Okay, so first impressions, it's really, really heavy. Now, I'm going to kind of do a direct comparison to this one, just because this is the one that I use. Let's just take this off for a little bit. And how this differs from this one. So this one is definitely heavier than this one, even though this one's 2700 milliamp hours. This one's 25. Let's take a look how this looks. It's got 20% charging. Let me turn this upside down. So let's talk about a couple of the key features that this has. So it already has a wire installed on it, right? So it comes with two USB wires, and this one can actually be used as a carrying case. And it feels pretty nice. It feels pretty strong. I believe it can hold up to like 20 pounds or something like that. And then you have this one here that's apparently retractable. Yeah. All right, so it comes with the wires built in, and then you have two ports here, USB-A and USB-C. So altogether, 1, 2, 3, 4 ports on this. Now, it's pretty straightforward. Obviously, these are just charging banks. Now let's get into a little bit of the statistics for this, right? So this is 165 watts max power. So then you're only going to get 165 watts altogether if you use all the ports. That's the max that this will output. Now, each port will output, each USB-C port will output 100 watts. So 100 watts, 100 watts, 100 watts individually. So not 100 watts together. So if you connect all three ports, you're not going to get 100 watts on each. It actually diminishes. So I believe you get like 100 watts, 65 watts, and then I think if you put in the third one, you get, let me try to look that up for you. Yeah, you get like 130 watts max, I think, on that. I don't know how they break that up really. Yeah, so I think if you use the two USB-Cs, you get 165. If you use a USB-C and USB-A, you get 133 watts. Is it enough power? Yeah, it's enough power. Basically, if you plug this into a laptop and then plug this into your iPhone, you're going to get 100 watts. You're going to get 100 watts on one port and 65 watts on the other. So 100 watts onto your laptop is really, really nice, fast charging. and 65 watts to your iPhone is more than enough, because I believe even with the new iPhone 16, the max you get is somewhere in like the 20 to 30 watt range, so it's more than enough power to do that. So all in all, it's not bad, right? It's not. I like it. It's a nice size. It does have, all the bells and whistles when it comes to fast charging, and it's approved for flight. To take. It is heavier than this. I would have loved to have seen this charger on the bottom of this. I would have loved to be able to do that. I use this one. I mean, I even have a picture of my dog on here. I use this one like it's going out of style. I have it on a dock over here on my table. I had the wire, as you see, that was coming out of it, and I pick it up for everything. I just pick it up and take it around the house. I charge things with it, charge my phones with it. I love this product. And I was hoping to get some sort of same type of use case with this. However, I don't kind of like the fact that you got to charge it. Obviously, this one you have to charge, but it's so easy to, when you're done, you just put it on the charger and it charges itself. And by the way, this one charges really, really fast, as opposed to, having to plug this in and charge it somewhere. So it is sleeker, it is heavier, it's less milliamp, it's like a tad, it's like smaller and thinner. And I do like the fact that it has these wires built into it. I mean, that's a pretty nice touch, right? So I would love to see this one with the wires plugged into it. I believe this goes pretty long too. Yeah, so that's a good amount of length, from it. And the wire feels nice too. Also question, the motor in this, if this is gonna like not work at some point. This one's still a little weird to get used to, because they're using this as like a handle, right? So it's kind of feels like you're not supposed to pull on this cable, but I guess they reinforced it to do that. So again, I don't know how much you're gonna, how much wear and tear this is gonna take. And this seems pretty straightforward. Yeah, just a couple of statistics, the temperature, and the battery health, which makes me believe that it has cycles, so the battery does degrade after a while. So all in all, it's a nice product. I like it. I wouldn't give this one up for this one. I definitely wouldn't. I still like this one way too much. And against the simplicity of just walking over to my desk, docking it. It has like a magnet, and that's it. Like, I really do like that. I do like the wires. I'm sorry. I do like the wires. I do like the retractable wires. That'd be really nice to see this one with it. But yeah, so that's my quick review on this product. It's a nice product. It feels nice. I would probably, if you don't have this, yeah, I'd probably get this for the price. I definitely purchase this. I believe this is coming in at $100. So it's like 109 bucks. This one is definitely more expensive, especially if you get it with the stand. I think this one's like about $200 if you get it with the stands, or 150. I'm not sure if the price changed on that. And half this screen here is useless too. So this is not really, it's only like this top half. So anyway, if you guys like this review, like and subscribe. I'll be doing a couple more of these Ankers. I got a couple different ones in. So yeah, thanks guys.